with every zipper, we have to use a zipper foot. We never want to have any tension on the zipper itself. So with the zipper foot, we're going to pop off the old foot, or the regular foot, and put on what we call the zipper foot. The zipper foot can go to the left or to the right, and you're going to adjust it whichever way you want it to go. Now, I'm going to have it on the left side, and I'm going to put my sample in here. Always have your thread back and out of the way. I'm going to sew down one side of the zipper and up the other side. Now everything should be centered. And I'm going to start at the top here. And I just use my zipper foot as a guide so that I can make it as straight as I can possibly do. Now also on your zipper tape, you have like a little variation in the weave of the cloth. And you want to use that also. You can kind of use that as your guide also to try to make it as straight as you can possibly do. We want to do a regular stitch, so it should be between 2 and 3. We're going to do a regular stitch, and then we're going to back stitch also, okay, so that it stays in place. All right, you can stitch right over your pins. When you come down to the end, you want to go beyond the stop point of your zipper. Put your needle in, and I always like to count how many stitches I'm going across to the center. That means that I'm not going to clear that, so I need to go one more stitch down. Okay, so I want to go one more stitch down so that I can clear my zipper stop point. And then I usually count how many stitches I'm going across. And then I go across from the center the same number of stitches. 1, 2, it looks like 3 goes right to the center, so I want to go 3 over this side. 1, 2, 3. All right, and that should make it even. All right, now I'm going to come up this side. Everything's still pinned, and I'm just going to come up this side just like I went down the first side, and I'm going to back stitch at the end. And back stitch. And that's the way to put your zipper in. And you can see that we have a centered zipper. It looks pretty straight here and square. And the only thing I need to do yet is pull out the basting stitch that I put in so that I could pull the zipper down. Okay, and you can use a seam zip ripper for that, or scissors, whichever you prefer. And I opened up our basting, and you can see that the zipper is all set, ready to go. And that's the centered zipper. And then we'll finish the top of this when we do facings.